This technique it's called microblading and shading. That means we're using both microblading with the machine shading on the same treatment. This technique is suitable for oily skin and also for those who don't have much hair on the eyebrows. To get a very natural result, you have to make sure that you're not doing too many passes on each hair strokes and using back and forth movement, and make sure you stay on a superficial layer of the skin. After you complete all the strokes, you can add some shading between the strokes. Shading must be very, again, soft and superficial, because we don't want all the shade and strokes get combined together after healing. As you can see, the result is very natural and hair strokes are still very crispy, and you can see a very soft shade on the eyebrow.